Yeah, just the opportunities and the access to the professional development. I think the first class I took 3 years ago was all about using Scratch and code blocking and actually creating code with that. And it was like the first course actually for the computer science supplementation. And I didn't have to pay, I got total credit for taking that course. And I was able to implement that as soon as the school year started. And so just being able to have a new way to teach a concept, especially,
The resources.
Yeah, because a lot of us are using free computer science programs, which are great, but they're not as engaging as having different types of hardware, different types of software. The knowledge to be able to implement and use the creativity and Seasons of CS talks a lot about like equity and diversity, and we can totally implement that when we have the tools and the knowledge, because what it means is allowing students to be creative, allowing them to represent themselves. And if you have access to a lot of different things, then you can do that. If you're given like one program and zero budget, you can't. It's just, you have to just go with as is. And so I'm very thankful to Seasons of CS for giving us all of these opportunities.
And going out on your own and trying to not only find these resources, but train yourself on how to use them and implement them is time consuming. And with being able to get the resources, get trained on the resources, and have others that you can help implement it with. We're from 2 different parts of California. We would have never met.
We've only known each other online since summer, and then we got to meet in real life, and we're like, yes, we connect, we work well.
Totally needed to know each other because
It's
it is
awesome.
just amazing. So, not only resources for the classroom, but resources for our lives.
Yeah.
K-12 California educators attend Seasons of CS, professional development, and learn computer science curriculum that you can bring back to your students.
All students should learn CS.
And all teachers can teach CS.